something. Tell me
Yeah.
how to improve English, especially speaking English. And some words are very difficult to remember.
Okay. So
So
you
how to
find some
practice?
hard well, the only way, honestly, Sissy, to practice is to speak to someone. I think the other thing that helps is if you can try and watch programs in English or
Okay.
watch movies in English. That's a good way to try and remember information and
o-
vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay. But you need to practice.
Yes. Hi, can you hear me
I
properly?
can I can hear you fine. You said your name is pronounced Sissy.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. What is your name?
My name is
Jyoti?
Shari.
Shari.
Perfect.
Okay, nice name.
Thank you very much. So, tell me what you would like to do today.
What?
Tell me what you would like to do today.
It's I need some general conversation with you for improving my English,
Okay.
especially speaking English.
Yes. Okay. So, is that just for you? Would you like a conversation? Do you want a more structured lesson? How would you like to practice?
I want to practice conversation.
Okay, perfect. So, then tell me a bit about
So
yourself.
sorry, it's breaking. What you told me?
So
What you said?
I said, can you please tell me about yourself?
Sure, sure. My name is Ceci. I am from India.
Yep.
I am a housewife. I have a one baby girl.
Aw. Okay. What part of India do you live in?
I live in south part of
I've
India.
been to Tamil Nadu, so I understand a bit about India.
Oh, you visited Tamil
Yes.
Nadu? Which place you are visited?
So we went to Chennai and Mahabalipuram and
Okay.
Kanchipuram, and where else did we go? Oh, I have to think to try and remember everywhere we went.
Yes, those places are very historical
Yes.
places. You are lucky to visit that
I was
places.
very lucky, and I didn't stay in a hotel. I stayed with a family, so it was really lovely.
Oh, oh, it's great. It's great thing.
Yes. Have you
Okay,
go ahead.
where are you from?
So
You are
I'm
from?
from New York in America, but I live in London in the UK.
Okay, you're from
Yes,
America.
but I live in the UK.
UK. You are working there in UK,
Yeah.
or
So I
okay,
work
you are
and I
teach.
study. I do both. I work and I study.
Oh, it's great. What you are studying?
So I'm a therapist, a counselor, and
Oh,
I'm studying a different kind of counseling. So,
okay. And you are teaching English in online?
yeah, this is just for fun. I I do this because I really love meeting people from around the world.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah.
I saw your hair. Your hair is so nice. It's very different.
Thank you so much.
You love that?
I what?
You love your hair?
What do you mean? Oh,
Curlings,
no. No.
your
Yes.
hairstyle. Yeah, it's so
Thank you
nice.
so much.
It's looking so difficult.
No, nothing. This is just
View.
wet. and this and done.
Oh, okay. My baby girl hair also have some curls in her
Oh,
head.
lovely.
I'm trying to make what you
Braids?
what you tell. Yeah, yeah. It's not properly making
So the
head.
braids aren't staying in her hair. Ah, okay.
Yes,
Is her, you said she has some curls, but is her hair mostly straight? Yes.
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 So I cut her hair.
Ah, you cut her hair. How
Yes,
old is your daughter?
she is 3 years
Oh,
old now.
bless.
Yes.
That's so.
What about you? You married
I
or
am married. I don't have any children.
okay?
So, my husband's family actually is from Pakistan.
Oh, you got love
So my
marriage?
my husband, his mother is from England, but his father is from
Okay,
Pakistan.
okay. You both are living
Yes.
UK?
So he was born here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw your dimple in your
Yeah.
cheeks. It's so nice. I love that
Thank you
dimples.
so much. That's very sweet.
Yes, yes. My husband and also my baby have dimple
Ah.
on their cheeks, but I
So
don't
you're
have.
jealous of your daughter and your husband.
Yes, 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 yes. You are right.
So tell me about your relationship. How long have you been married?
I got married in 2017.
Okay. So 4 years.
Yes, you
Okay.
are right.
And how did you and your husband meet?
What I cannot
How
understand.
did you meet your husband?
Actually, my marriage is
Okay.
arranged
I
marriage.
know many people who have arranged marriages. Many.
Yes,
Okay. So it was arranged marriage. Was it both of your parents? I'm so sorry, Sissy, you're cutting out. Can you hear me?
yes, yes, yes,
So I asked, did your parents arrange your marriage?
yes. You are right.
Okay. Okay. Lovely.
Okay, okay. I saw your profile. I saw about you. You are actress, counselor. Yeah, I am so interested.
Oh, thank you. I don't do much acting now. So when I went to university, I
Oh,
loved acting. I loved performing.
oh,
And I do some voice acting. So I speak
oh,
about things.
okay.
But now I have to focus on my studies, so I don't get to do much of that.
Oh, I
So,
saw in your nose
yeah,
what it is. What you call?
nose ring.
Yeah, it's simple. No string. Okay, here
Nose ring.
in my state. Yes, yes, yes. In my state, Andhra Pradesh, and most of the Indians wear that nose rings, their nose.
Yes, I do. I know
Yeah.
lots of my friends have nose rings as well, but this is just for because I like it, not for any other reason.
Okay.
just just because I thought it was pretty.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I ask you something. Tell me
Yeah.
how to improve English, especially speaking English. And some words are very difficult to remember.
Okay. So
So
you
how to
find some
practice?
hard well, the only way honestly, Sissy, to practice is to speak to someone. I think the other thing that helps is if you can try and watch programs in English
Okay.
or watch movies in English. That's a good way to try and remember information and vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay, but you need to practice.
Yes, practice is very important.
Yeah. Does your husband speak English?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. What does he do for work?
He is a pastor here. We have church here.
Repeat that for me. He does what?
Father, church father.
Oh, he's a priest.
Yes,
Ah,
preacher.
okay.
You are right.
For what religion?
What? I cannot. Your voice is breaking. I cannot
So I said
understand
for
what
what
you're
religion?
telling
So
me.
Hindu, Christian.
Oh,
Can you hear
hello.
me, Sissy? Sissy, can you hear me?
Hello.
I'm here. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I asked for what religion? So Hindu, Christian.
Yes. He is Christian. We are
Oh, amazing.
Christian.
My mom is also a priest.
Oh, it's great.
Okay.
Okay.
That's very interesting.
Yes, she is from
Yeah.
US,
My
America.
mom is well, originally my mother is from Jamaica.
What?
Here, I'll
Jamaica?
type it for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Jamaica. It is
No,
state.
so it's an island in the Caribbean.
Oh.
Okay, so that's where she's originally from. But I was born in the U.S. and I've only known. Oh, sorry, it's loud. The music. Okay, was that your phone?
With me. You know.
That's okay.
Oh. I muted for 1 second. For here we are doing tomorrow have elections here.
Wow. Okay.
So they are announcing, publishing.
Ah, so it's someone outside.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
You can see.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
So they're with the loudspeaker going, vote for this person. Da, da, da.
Yes.
I understand.
Yes, you can vote that person.
Yes. So are you going to vote?
Yes.
Okay.
Day after tomorrow.
Okay. So on Thursday, you have to vote. And what are you voting for? Is it who are you voting for?
Actually,
not the person, the position. I didn't mean the person. I meant, is it prime minister, president? Who are you voting for?
it is not a president. It is all. It's local area elections.
Okay, local elections.
Yes, it's mandal elections.
Okay.
And district elections.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, that's what I was asking, not the person.
And also, you don't know person who are what. Yes.
Exactly. I would have no idea who you were talking about.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. So, we only have about a minute and a half left. Tell me, I can hold on. Okay, so you've been on Cambly for a little bit, right? What kind of lessons help you the most? Which kinds of tutors help you the most?
Yeah, I talk with tutors, everyone to conversation.
Okay.
Those conversations are helpful to me to improve my English, and I overcome my shyness.
Your shyness.
Yes.
Okay.
I have shy feeling.
Okay.
To speak to others.
Yes. So you're trying to build your confidence in speaking English.
Yes,
I
what I
understand.
speak, it is right or wrong, but
I understand.
I speak confidently.
Well done for you. That's great. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
It has been lovely for me to speak with you.
I am so happy to meet you too.
And I hope that we can speak again